this week, Dr. Otibos was, as I may put it, also came saying that you are no more the spokesperson for Kennedy Agyapong. And he even mentioned in there that time, no more lawyer for, and I say, Kennedy 37%. And you guys came in as lawyers and young people trying to change the whole thing, and you went and then you had 23%. But the first thing I would want to know before we go into the conversation is that he said you are no more the spokesperson for Kennedy Agyapong.
Okay. Mami, see me the me and we are me board. So, I don't know if you see lights or not.
Yeah.
That's moving pic.
Okay.
And see.
Okay.
So
I can assume that you are in Kennedy Agyapong's house.
Kobe, Josapon, Guy G. And I think there were some other people here.
Yeah.
But my peer feel let them because I don't think it's appropriate someone here on a mayor interview. So
Yes.
So I think I'll just respond to the normal what can about it.
Oh yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
I'll just respond to all of them at a go so that we are good to go.
Okay.
I think you started with and brother Sam Obekai.
Yes.
First of all, about was NPP, and I think I have responded to same on many platforms.
Okay.
So, I mean, because of the relationship I have with you, let me reiterate it.
Okay.
First of all, I have read reports about his brother, or reports attributed to his brother as was with NPP. Indeed, he's not giving me such a briefing, and they are just reports. I've not had the opportunity to listen to the full interview, aside the reports attributed to him. And so I'll not be able to speak to the details of it. But I can speak for myself in relation to the conversation I've had with him. The conversation I've had with him is to the effect that he's not giving me any briefings with free people. So
Okay.
I don't think I have his permission to say that. So even moving beyond that, or a senior party member, deeply invested senior party member, it is also Jai party now. The ideal thing, the ideal expectation of him, they say, and also the Katakoma General Secretary and as a party, and who say Wajai. The last time on one of our shows, I think I had an opportunity, Deputy General Secretary, is she I be start once them say, or the cat now also wouldn't be biasa, won't be biasa.
Yeah.
In my role and the authorization I have from him, which is a rare privilege to speak on his behalf, and we don't have a briefing with that party. So far as I'm concerned, he's still a member of the party.
He's still a member of the NPP. That's
yes.
What I mean.
So, and once I had the reactions from Dr. Otibos. No, Dr. Otibos. Ne brother, you know, a lot of what people don't know. They say, ne brother, on name is senior at the firm. It's the same firm. We go to court together. So every day we speak.
Okay.
I mean, even today we spoke because we are doing a case together, and even today we spoke. But we didn't even speak about that. We were just speaking about the court case I had a year ago. But beyond that, so I've addressed that one on whether or not his membership and other things. Then on Mr. or Dr. Otibos, I think recently I saw in the media, I said, or a lawyer. So whether Mr. Dr. Lawyer Otibos will be no.
But is he a lawyer?
Is he a lawyer? I don't know. I don't know. But I mean, fair. Come a GBA for. So,
yes.
So on the issue that he said, so I think is first of all, I don't want to repeat the comments that he said.
Okay.
On the basis, Dr. Otibos, me, so far as I know him, my boss Ken Adamfo, and or you'll be a Yanana campaign. Na campaign running for presidential prime minister. And he was somebody who was very active in the campaign. He's somebody I used to respect, and indeed I still respect. And I'm sure.
So why?
Let me proceed. Let me proceed. No, so you didn't allow me. I'm saying that he's somebody I used to respect in the campaign.
Okay.
And even out of the campaign, I still respect.
Okay.
And even beyond the campaign, I'll continue to respect.
Respect him, yeah.
Or yeah, if not for anything at all, or yeah, Ken no Adam for, which I know, which is of course a public knowledge.
Yeah.
And if indeed I respect Kenna, it is only polite and appropriate to say the same level of respect that I show to Ken.
Yeah.
I can show the same level of respect to him. And nothing changes.
Yeah.
Me Asante Achim, I'm free.
Yeah.
And Tetia Diamaya and say, we don't clap back at Penny. No matter how maybe you may disagree with Penny Chrono.
Yeah.
Only briefing away there when that. I don't think it is appropriate. I don't think it is polite. I don't think it is respectful for me to respond to him back based on the comments that he said. No matter how, dissatisfied it may look, or how people may interpret, or how people may analyze it.
Yeah.
I feel say emfa and can could be anya de emba. Emfa so be anya de emba.
Yeah.
And if not for nothing at all, out of the respect I have for Ken, I still want to maintain and extend the same courtesies and the same respect to Dr. Owusu. And on that basis, I do not want to react to the comments that he said. But as to whether I still speak for Ken or I do not speak for Ken, many could be in the Kobe. Many could be in the as to whether I speak for Ken or I do not speak for Ken, I don't think it's a matter of say I need to prove myself. I think say Ken or he's an adult. So say it's a public knowledge that he has about 22 or 23 children.
Yes.
Many sure say a meme consequence to come more in the match and the on your day. On yes. And I never mentioned about Casema on some mammy. Semi Casema, thankfully, and by the grace of all Ken or Tiasi. Nifini, Ongui. Tia Casem, na and you're on a Sumaya. I'm sure he has a right to come and disclaim such commentary.
So we can still stand by say what we all know that you are his spokesperson and that's it.
Now can be announcement. I say me the spokesperson you are. I don't know if I'm a brother so good. And then brother Fred. And then brother you see I don't want to go into the I don't know if I'm a brother.
I think a quick one. So if we are still on Otibonsuwa, people's concern is say some of the things he sometimes say, even in regards to the fact that he is saying that he's bringing Kennedy Agyapong to the base.
So let me respond. I think I've Kobe respond to that. Then my uncle. Watch now. It's your loss.
I mentioned also the base. The base is
yeah.
In time and I think even like from the first presidential campaign, there are a lot of volunteer groups ever supporting Honorable Ken for the primaries. Now, volunteer groups, I think this particular campaign realized that we needed a more coordinated effort. See, the volunteer groups now by together and call them the base. So anybody who is familiar with Honorable Ken's campaign, the campaign structure will realize the base is something that was there way before even the parliament, the presidential election. Primaries.
So it didn't emerge after the primaries.
No. So the base is basically the coordinating group for all the volunteer groups that supported Honorable Ken. So when I think the base for were of the opinion say Honorable Ken now on running on his own outside the structures of the party. So basically the base. So that's why sometimes because are you part of the base? Because the base originated as a volunteer, as the superior volunteer group. Combining all the volunteer group support on Honorable Ken. Right. So after the campaign, I think there are a lot of the leaders of the base, and not even all of them, but most of them actually decided say yes, the part for Honorable Ken is outside the party. But Honorable Ken still remains a member of the party. I think we have always spoken to that effect. Yes, some members of the team, especially the base for NNA, they believe that as of now, it be an MPP, NNA, it's in but he still remains a member of the party. Kwesi Kwartin still remains his spokesperson. And as he mentioned, indeed, you see, I mean, okay, say, you only fear, share Brazil versus Norway match, you Pierre Bonting, so be she sign. So, and the honorable Ken, you'll be on no, but him not some car.
Yes.
Say, honorable Ken, you Kwesi Kwartin, now, Kwesi, that's one more pride, you know, as spokesperson. You know, if say, one day go, or it's radio, so my friend said, Massa, I no longer my spokesperson. You don't speak for me.
Yeah, you don't
so,
speak for me. Yeah.
Kwesi still speaks for honorable Ken. I believe we believe, say, party, you know, we have a long way to go, but it's Mr. Shay and Yoma. Yeah, there's a future for all of us in the party. And I think say honor YDBC. Now we have say honorable Ken is still a member of the party. Kwesi is still the spokesperson for honorable Ken. And as a party, no, I can't to wrestle election 2028 from the NDC, even though there's a lot of work to be done.
Okay, so Kwesi, this question it will be a bit difficult for you to answer, but not that I want to ambush you, but should it be say or be a bit Honorable Kennedy Agyapong has written a letter to the party saying that he's no member of the party? Where would you stand as an individual?
But why should he even be responding to assumptions and speculative assumptions? Adia, should he be there? Now, if he also doesn't be here, we have made a statement of fact to you that Nipa no on free party. So why should you just make assumptions?
Right now, I'm on you. Kwesi. Has it been difficult being a spokesperson for Kennedy Agyapong? I mean, has it been difficult?
That's what you mean. Difficult, Anna.
No, close of his coming out, calling you out. You go and say this today. Tomorrow, his brother is saying this, and friends of his friends are saying. I mean, how has it been for you as a young person?
As for the brother's own, me say I've seen statements attributed to him. So I've not really listened to the full detail of his brother. So it's not something I would really want to react on. As to Nkofua, Omo, if you say, oh, Omo ye base, and indeed call on free hawk, normal joining base. And you see, from the explanation Kobe gave, you know, I mean, you can understand them because these are volunteer groups. Omo, ewo did say, Papa no, ebi timia day.
IBB.
Ahana BB. But you see, after every contest and after every competition, you know, the next thing is cooperation. But as I said, the majority of the people has decided. When they make a decision, I say for me, let me state on equivocally so that it doesn't become I'm being evasive. My loyalty is to the NPP. My loyalty is to Ghana. End of story. And people ask such questions. Hey, people, I mean, out of love and out of abundance of caution, I get people calling me. Hey, Italy, you are in a very difficult place. So, me, I don't see any difficult place I am because I still go on TV to speak for the party. So, where is the difficult place? Kobe, about last 2 weeks, me who Kobe war assassin. So, unless of course people want to downlook the MPP in us, or maybe they expect more. Because we also do the party work a lot of times and on many times. Why are people also not questioning our loyalty based on that?
Fred, I think so. One thing I say in Fred, one thing I say in say one thing include Honorable Ken MPP for. Honorable Ken is someone who has always spoken his mind. Even when it comes to internal party issues, in places or in times where he disagrees, he's made his thoughts known. And then I be Honorable Kennedy will be a party, be many party in it has always been his style. It's in the track record meaning no time the only party disagree or say in some situations things should have gone better. No, he comes out to say it. So I don't think that sometimes they brought attention. Even as similar Honorable Ken way, whose statements attributed to Dominic Nitiwula, what make similar comments. I don't know if they were true because I didn't hear him. But I've seen statements attributed to him what make similar comments. Saying that a party for MPP Penipa Bakwa Omwa So we Ghana for mebu bebre kra. The mama for a condo MPP. Who you be a won't me Kennedy Agyapong film. I can't be in a nation. Taking a party for a good party Juma. Sebi, in a party no, ye beguswa a party Jumano. And I think say people should respect it that way. Say one aim. I don't think say Yakwe Prime is a na party communicators, party machine in your thing na no. Sebi, yeah, you see energy on issues see party doing and it's a thinker. Yeah, by the cake na ya gonna can Dr. Bawumia Hansem and how to make Dr. Bawumia president. I think there would have been a focus. But maybe I answer yeah, you have to be crazy as a party we are focusing on an issue which is not towards helping Dr. Bawumia to be president. Now party communicators near doing internal party issues. Near there, I know we can try come out for say. Yeah. How does that help us to prosecute that? So I think that a lot of us may still have a very competitive mindset. Once the election, it was quite a heated election.
Yeah.
So a lot of baby and we are
in the contest mood.
We are kebi. It doesn't help the party. Even now, I say, quite mentioned before. Asema Abano, even if it's about Kennedy Agyapong, any other person, yeah, say even sebi. So one can year crana. Yeah, call radio so and yeah, call the time I call discussing. Does it all go well for the party? If it doesn't, so let's go ahead. Share video by Akufo because Ken must go. I feel money Akufo giddy. Now it was even portraying a certain picture that as MP for a violent party. How? I don't think that should be our focus. Next meeting now, Kojo Kyeremanteng.
Yeah.
What were the major decisions are everyone party na koneni. Yeah, it's a they say and say you see the Ken Japan this committee. But
is it true?
We've not seen the petition and those things too. But my member back on Kakobidi, and you see our stance is very delicate.
Yeah.
I mean, it is not in dispute. Say, even if you listen to Ken recent statements or make he had concerns. When people have concerns, you don't brush them under the carpets. Leadership requires that you address those concerns, right? So, say Okasampa, he's a human being, 100%. He has strengths and shortcomings. Not to be said, you who say party democrat, people disagree. I'm a chair. To still take us, the young people to still come and reiterate and reposition what he said, all in the supreme interest of the party. It's the Kobase Bia, Honorable Ken Akabibi. Now, Kwesi Kwati, friend was Ken as some of kind. He's just drawing the party's attention to say, reflecting on how we can unite, how we can strengthen our party, how we can forgive ourselves. Now, Kwabisu retreated the same thing. It shouldn't come out and say we are defending something wrong. I think that is a conflicted view people have about us.
After that interview, Dennis Miracles came and
Dennis Minya and friends when you're flat. I personally picked the phone and called him and sympathized with him. Usually, I don't like to disagree with party people on any platform. And I'm a coach, I'm a Muslim coach show, and they asked about him on something that he said. I defended him outright. But I don't like proving myself. So I just leave it there. And you know the ever and Tonchain. But what I want to say is say be about Kenna. The reason why I yet to say I say defending no because we are still in the contest mood. Our mind is still very competitive. Still, that's
the whole party. If I'm to be clear,
I think a lot of us feel say we are still in the competitive mood where we feel say it's about Bawumia Ken. Mamenka someone show Ken as some kind. No matter how wrong it was, or how right it was. Say election and free ma banner so competitive and so contextual. I free ma who say we almost destroyed ourselves. The NPP I know would have come to water down the impact of it and even defended him. Right? And even would have spent the whole conversation on NDC. Say, and some class or some more tone contrast. So you are in government. So come and. But it's because we are still in the contest mood, or we've not fully exited from the contest mood. Even if Ken Bekasem Nakwesi Party is trying to, let's say, reposition it, Nemfa unity, Makowi Bekasem reposition it, Nemfa unity, and position it in a way that will say bring unity into our party. Then we are rather seen as the enemies. Hey, when we defend, we are defending why? Is he an NDC man? We are defending an NPP man for the supreme interest of the NPP.
Yeah.
So, and again, the role that we performed during Ken's campaign is very personal role. Kobe was his special assistant, that was his spokesperson. How would you say to a baby and independent council with NPP? What's not? Yeah, sorry. No, yes, oh, the baby, we disagree. Oh, in the who are we pleasing for what?
Yes.
And who even believe us?
Yeah.
Who will even take us serious? When people see that we are disloyal and very transactional people. So it is in our supreme interest to still, one, stay loyal to the party, stay loyal to the country. At the same time, also respect our relationship with him. And that is the where we find ourselves. You see, we need about one kind of guys with MPP accept. Or any you can on guys answer. And yes, we can't say on guys answer. What it? And say, idea all support to you there now. Can say you'll be in benefit, or being situated in the matter. So now, on some Yabeka, so be to my day,
Yeah.
So that's where we end.
Can we, because we can't all take the whole thing out of context, say, Nekasa no Kasa on Mano. He was a bit angry. There was anger in his voice. Can we just say that it was because he was angry? That's why he mentioned some of the things he said, and then afterwards, you being with him, you've seen that it was out of anger. He's calm now.
I would say he expressed a concern, but everybody has ways that they express concerns.
Okay.
I was on TV with Sammy Muslim, or say MPP for any Mahamadu Bawumia about they helicopter.
They go swim in the flood.
I share flood way now. A review of the flood now. Omunku see me in the water.
Yeah.
The typical miracle would have been angry at her.
Yeah.
What kind of nonsense is this? Is that not so impolite?
Yeah.
Because I said, "Man, attitude so can now during the taxpayers' money and I position. It doesn't mean we've lost our citizenship, which is very legitimate and founded. And party people like that. The typical Kwesi also says no. With the position that you occupy, you are supposed to bring everybody together. And with your role as a senior journalist that we all respect and we all used to listen when we were in senior high school, it is prudent that you speak appropriately. And that's what he said was impolite and inappropriate. Don't you think it's the same message that we've all carried across? Yes. But how we've said that the approach has been different. We've all rebuked her. We are in a professional way, we are in a very aggressive way.
Yeah.
So it has more to do with one, you really have to decouple the message from the messenger and how the message was presented. What I say. And you see, in all we are doing, if it is fraught with love and unity, I saw no sebi you onum zoga in zona onum onum.
Yes.
But it doesn't also mean say sebu nipano or you churudu and a konkuni.
Yeah.
You will nobody so high be a bear say or a penny and you be a never come a bonting. A bit much in is penny. I did read the fast and another day at you. If you a brief in your sorry, if you a brief in your brief in your day and your papa. Maybe I ready who say be a can say carry say one thing people should understand is that we are inquiring for. We are young people working with an adult. And see, and yet the idea and you bit my adult not to say sebi here you 24 what I say. But we can politely draw his attention to a lot of things. And at the end of the day, out of the love and the goodwill that he has for the party, you will see, say, maybe subsequent conversations or subsequent approach of addressing issues may be different. What I say. But when Nipano who say, Ebi Amunamo come against him, yeah, sponsor Ken must go and other things. At the end of the day, who wins and who loses? Massive conversation, no human being is bigger than any party. Yes, it's just like a government. No government can put food on the table, but the fullest government can determine the type of food on the table.
Yes, absolutely.
And no government can put food on the table, but the fullest government can determine the type of food on
What
the
you
table.
eat, yes.
Yeah, what you eat. So it's in the same vein. No individual is bigger than any party. But parties are not made with robots. Parties are made with human beings.
Human beings, yeah.
And if a human being can wrong a party can also wrong human beings. But even in dispute resolution, sometimes we have a win approach. Sometimes you have a negotiation approach. And we can also have, I think there is another approach. But the approach that has demonstrated to work so well is a resolution. Resolution, we look at the best interest of the group. We look at the best interest of the association and say that, then we make amends and go forward. And here, I don't think we want to re-echo what he said and his intentions. We've spoken extensively about that.
So as it stands now, the beans is still intact.
What I don't understand. Yeah, I like clarity before I like to respond to things. Before you say that's not what you meant.
So I mean, in sharing his concerns, as you put it, he said that if care is not taken, he will steal the beans. And now a lot of party members are scared, and some have
lawyer for usually. Oh, I call me as a Michiano. Is it thoughts? Obi because obi could not if bar. And I don't really usually the if no negates his intentions. I've forgotten which. I think I learned it in thought. So if you touch me, I will also beat you. The if clause negates the I'll beat you. No, it means that
when you are. Well, see, all I can say that you are a lawyer. You are a lawyer, and I think I'm admiring you from a client's perspective. How you can defend, how you can speak for a client.
Oh no, we also don't have to be overly defensive, because we are dealing with rational human beings, not robots. So if you also become overly defensive, sometimes the weight they place on the trust and premium of the argument that you are making, and also conform said that the engine too. But look, what is the most important thing? The most important thing is say one, Papa no nya party no. Two, yemfa odo any akomapa any nuado.
Yeah.
En kasanhwe ye ho. Na yento ye boase. Paul Amantem for no. Yeah, it is social media. We feel that we want to show how distasteful and how cutting deep we can to our collection. As for Monyaka, and penning for Monyaka. But you're sure to see honorable Ken that about Bawumia, their conversation will be completely different. So what about us? In TABB, much it was a moment to your boss. I mean, we be any of the emphasis. Kobe made a point which was very succinct and profound. He said, one person makes a statement on the 16th or 16th or 17th of June.
Of June, yeah.
And then
16th.
Yeah, read July, we are still discussing him. Meanwhile, we have a candidate to sell. A candidate I call her boy. And I was so happy. Me who yams, hey, doctor, I don't know about for more or popcorn. So I was so happy and so impressed. But we didn't talk about it. And every day. Now, can anybody on go lesson be the moment focus on projecting the candidature of Dr. Bawumia. And the election there, sebi Mahamadu Bawumia say NPP for one pen. And you are into be one. And I'll go about you better them.
Yeah.
What as it the party for and I say yes, I know. And this say a poem po. On the number. And say a doctor say paternity. And so when people ask, they move up they are here. You need baby, your MPP. So what is the whole point about mobile? I mean, people have even called me. Hey, you should be very careful. Can waste your life? And I ask myself, now they can or end this in the answer day. What I say? And see, I'm sure ultimately that will settle. And like they say that on Mount Mount Zion there shall be liberty.
Yes.
And there shall be freedom. And the children or the house of Jacob shall possess their possession. So I'm sure we'll get there and everything will settle down and we'll come together stronger and possess our possessions in 2028. And Dr. Bawumia will win power. NPP will win power. I'm sure saying and I'm sure say Edim Kunimdie and the Nkranse Beba. Unya Busa last question Nako be answer.
Okay, so would you or would Honorable Ken gladly accept any role being given to him to serve, I mean, with regards to the 2028 elections of the NPP?
I think Honorable Ken has always said that he's still a member of the party. He served the party in different capacities. And depending on what the role is and what it entails and in relation to what his strength is, I don't think that he would have a challenge, any difficulty.
Okay.
And if you even realize, Honorable Ken has been involved in many elections without a title. But after the elections, when we are talking about people whose contributions in the elections were really known, almost all the time, Honorable Ken's name is mentioned. A few times that he had roles, maybe we named Central Regional Campaign Manager. But you hear Ashanti region people from Ashanti region talking about his impact in the region during the election.
Yeah.
So he doesn't need a title or a role to do magic for the NPP. He still remains that man that a lot of Ghanaians love. He still obviously remains a man who understands the logistics and how to pull resources together to do politics, to raise money, to support a campaign, and someone who can still speak to the issues. I mean, he makes a few comments about the party and we hear a lot of things. Honorable Ken is one person who can pick up 2-3 issues in relation to this government and the whole nation will go haywire. So I think that, I mean, the most important thing is the impact that he'll make in the next election for the party. And I think he's willing to do that.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.